K-Seal Ultimate Head Gasket Repair will save you thousands in repair costs. Independently tested and scientifically engineered to permanently seal coolant leaks in the head gasket, and block, the antifreeze safe technology will get you back on the road fast. You can trust K-Seal Ultimate, and with our 100% money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. K-Seal Ultimate is simple to use. Just shake the bottle well, add the contents to wherever you top up your coolant, and gently run the engine up to operating temperature. Keep watching for more installation tips. Do you have coolant being expelled from the expansion or overflow tank? Do you see bubbles forming at the top of the radiator or expansion tank? If so, you may have something called overpressurizing. This is a common issue with blown head gaskets and will make it more difficult for K-Seal Ultimate Head Gasket Repair to do its job. The good news is there's a workaround for this issue to give K-Seal Ultimate the best chance of repairing the leak. With overpressurizing, combustion gases from the cylinders are leaking into the cooling system through the same failure point that K-Seal Ultimate is trying to repair. You or a mechanic can do a simple test to detect for these gases. To reduce the overpressurizing caused by these gases, you need to locate the cylinder that is associated with the leak and remove the spark plug. This stops combustion in that cylinder, which significantly reduces pressure across the failure point, making it easier for K-Seal Ultimate to reach the leak and make a permanent repair. It's also recommended to bypass the coolant reservoir expansion tank when adding K-Seal Ultimate to the cooling system. Either add it via the top hose of the radiator or drain some coolant, mix it with K-Seal Ultimate, and add it back to the system. This helps to get K-Seal Ultimate into the cooling system around the engine so it can get to the leak and do its job. Once K-Seal Ultimate has been added, run the vehicle up to temperature at idle to reduce the engine load while K-Seal Ultimate makes a repair. So take a little time to prepare, and you could save thousands on a repair bill and have the confidence that K-Seal Ultimate has fixed your head gasket failure.